Salam doston, hi friends, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. And in this channel, together with my brother, we teach Tajik. This is week 30, and our first word is money, pull. So, the sentence, he had a lot of money in the bank. Вай дар банк пули зиёд дошт. Вай дар банк пули зиёд дошт. Coin, танга. So the sentence, I collect rare coins. Ман тангаҳои нодир ҷамъ мекунам. Ман тангаҳои нодир ҷамъ мекунам. Cash, нақд. But we say нақд, maybe because it's easier to say нақд. Okay, so the sentence, I'd like to pay in cash. من میخواهم با پول نقد پرداخت کنم. من میخواهم با پول نقد پرداخت کنم. Debit cards, корти дебетӣ. So the sentence, I paid with my debit card. من با корти дебетии худ пардохт кардам. من با корти дебетии худ пардохт кардам. Credit card, корти кредитӣ. So the sentence, can I pay with a credit card? آیا من میتوانم با کارت کردیتی پرداخت کنم؟ And oyo is optional here. You don't need oyo. Oyo makes it more formal. In the north part of Tajikistan, this sentence is too formal, so we would say با کارت پرداخت کنم میشد می. As far as I know, in Tajikistan we use only debit cards because credit cards are still something new. Only a few banks offer credit cards, so majority of people still use cash. Wallet, ҳамён. Also, you can hear people using another word, a Russian word, кошелек. So the sentence, I lost my wallet. Ман ҳамёнамро гум кардам. Document, ҳуҷҷат or санад. ҳуҷҷат or санад. But ҳуҷҷат is more common. So the sentence, I've already read that document. Ман аллакай он ҳуҷҷатро хондам. Report, ҳисобот. So the sentence, bring me the report please. لطفاً ҳисоботро ба ман биёред. We Tajiks don't really use the word please. In Tajik, لطفاً and iltimos both mean the same thing. In our daily conversation we don't really use these words, but we might use them when we really need something from other people. Mail, почта. So the sentence, I'll send the book by mail. Ман китобро бо воситаи почта мефиристам. Website, сомона. A lot of people use website, so we can use both, сомона and website. So the sentence, responses will be posted on our website. ҷавобҳо дар сомонаи мо ҷойгир карда мешаванд. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.